At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, March 6, 2023, Mullen just missed its $1 deadline. A reverse stock split seems to be the only cure for a deflated Mullen. Mullen Automotive stock has failed to reach $1 per share by the March 6 deadline provided by Nasdaq. The electric vehicle company will likely receive another extension from the exchange until September 6, 2023. Mullen stock closed up more than 5% today. Today is March 6 and, with the market closed, Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock has still not reached a price of at least $1 for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days. A minimum price of $1 is a requirement for all members of the Nasdaq exchange. Nasdaq first notified Mullen of its deficiency on September 7, 2022 due to Mullen stock closing below $1 for 30 consecutive business days. It provided the company with a 180 calendar day compliance period to resolve the issue. On the bright side, Mullen is eligible to file for a 180 calendar day extension if it can provide Nasdaq with a plan of compliance, like a reverse stock split plan. A reverse split seems to be the best option, as Mullen closed at 23 cents today. That means it currently needs a 335% gain to reach $1 per share. Mullen misses $1 minimum price deadline. Mullen held its special meeting of stockholders last January after several adjournments. During the meeting, shareholders voted to approve a reverse split proposal in a range between 1 for 2 and 1 for 25. Following the meeting, Mullen announced that it had no plans at the current time to effect a reverse split. However, if Mullen stock is still under $1 by September 6, Mullen stated that it will effect a reverse split in order to satisfy Nasdaq listing policies. This is not the only minimum price requirement on Mullen's radar, however. Mullen is a member of the Russell 2000 Index, which also requires a minimum price of $1 per share. The index will hold its rank day on April 28, meaning members seeking continued inclusion must have a minimum price of $1 on that day. If the price is less than $1, members will be considered eligible if the average of the daily closing prices, from its primary exchange, during the 30 days prior to the rank date is equal to or greater than $1. After rank day, the index will rebalance in June. If Mullen is still below $1 by then, the company will evaluate if it is in the best interest of shareholders to enact a reverse split. Unless Mullen stock can reach $1 organically, shareholders should expect a reverse split in the coming months. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.